Okay. I think more prefix, postfix stuff is good. I tried looking up online for a calculator on how to use them. Like, I don't know how to use them in like a calculator. Hmm. Is there an online calculator that I could somehow look up that could do it? Hmm. Reverse Polish. Oh, wait, you have stream, right? Reverse. Hmm. Okay, I'm headed to Ashenvale from Crossroads. Oh, oh yeah, over there. Hmm. Uh, no, it would be 5. But uh, okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. 4, 8, minus. Okay. So you like start at 0, and then that's minus 12. Oh. 4 minus. Oh. Uh. hmm, Okay. Yes. Hmm. hmm, Okay. That's two things. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. No, I think it's fine. Uh. Okay. I think it's -2, but I'm not sure I'm following. 3 minus 1. Wait, I might have mixed up the order. Uh, okay. So we have 3, and then we take away. Yeah. So it's like, if you think of it as like 3 take away 1, that's easier, maybe. Because then you have 3, and you take away 1. Easy. 2. Mm, okay, so 1, 2 plus. So that would be 3, and then, uh, okay, 1, 2 plus 3. Uh, okay, I don't quite know how to read it, but I think it's 6. Mm, mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we go, if we go from right to left, then that would become like a prefix, I think. So it would be, uh, okay, postfix, but we start from right to left. Okay, I think I'm confused, but I'm gonna try to do something. Uh, okay. Okay, so what is, I'm trying to remember what we were just talking about and how that can help me do this. Okay. Uh, yeah. Okay, so I'm not really sure what to do, so I'm just gonna try to use the last plus to add 1 and 2. Okay, so it adds the plus, and then we need to figure out what the plus is, or uh, yeah. Which yeah. So okay. Uh, Discord. This. Uh, okay. So what are you doing? Plus. Okay, so I complete those. This. 3, and then plus 2. Okay, I think I made the tree. How do you pop out the stream? Oh. I can't figure out how to pop. Hmm. Uh, Kiri. Whenever Kiri runs into an enemy, he gets low. Alright, I have heals. Uh, hey, this person's a question in for me. I think it was someone else. I need to catch up to you to follow. Okay, following Kiri Priest. Okay. You can't see it. Okay, so can I make anything? What am I trying to do? This, then this, then. Okay. Then what do I do from here? I make a tree. Yeah. Okay, so plus, then what are we adding? We're adding 1, and what's it adding? What are the two things? Okay, so it's 1 and a time symbol. Huh. Okay, that seems a bit weird. I'm gonna try to do it though. Okay, so it's a 1 and a times. I'm pretty sure the 1 and the time symbol are supposed to be related, but if I just try doing the last two, then it kinda cuts them out. Okay, then from here, this is a 2. Okay, and then how does this minus work? Okay, I don't think I quite am understanding what I'm doing. I'm just trying to copy what I did last time. Uh, okay, and then this one, does it go before the 2? Do I make a subtree of the 2? Oh, okay, this is an operator, so that applies to an operator. So that's then. Uh, okay, every operator applies two things to its left. So, got the plus 1. Okay, then the 2 minus, then 3, 5. Uh, okay, top to bottom. Uh, hmm. Yeah, not sure how to do that. Uh, okay. Mm, Top right format. Uh, uh, this one looks right. I seem to only be applying it to that. Okay, I'm gonna hover on. Then what am I doing? Format. What was I formatting? Uh, uh, map structure. Oh yeah, structure. Then this one. Okay, and then we do it left from right, so need to go up. Okay, so so it goes 3, 5. So 3 should be on the left. Okay, that's on the left. Okay, then I'm gonna make sure everything else is right. Okay, so it's plus. No? Oh, really? Huh. Maybe. Instead of like doing two things at the same time. Oh. So I'm trying to go like minus, okay, then what? 3. Okay, then what? 5. When I'm supposed to be like minus, now there's 3 and 5. Kinda. Like I need to do them at the same time. Okay. Mm. Okay, so plus then x, so there, then 1. Okay, then what do we do from here? There's minus into 2, so the minus goes on the right, and the 2, minus goes to the left, 2 is on the right. Okay, 3. Uh, yes, I think so. Okay, 3 plus 5. Yeah. Mhm. So on, so, okay, so I don't have to worry about it for the other ones. So I don't have to worry about it for this plus, I don't have to worry about it for this times. This is just a 1. Okay, but now there's some kind of subtraction, and uh, times. Okay, I don't have to worry about it for the times. So like these could be in whatever order probably. But then when I get to the minus, then that matters. Oh. Uh, okay, so yeah, so that's 2. Okay, times 2. That's a 4, I think. Uh, whoop. And then it's just 1. So 5. Oof. Hmm. Yeah, it's a relationship. Uh, hmm. Okay, so can I zoom in, grab it, then zoom out? No. I need to get, like, pixel. Oh, cool, I can drag it to the other window. Yeah. Mm, okay, now it's a very big relationship. Okay. Four. Nothing. Then this thing. Okay, this thing. Yeah, I ended it to try to swap to a different window because I didn't find a button immediately. Oh, yeah. Okay. What am I doing? Going to you and clicking follow. Curie Priest. Hey, on the stream, when I'm zoomed into WoW, the mouse cursor becomes a WoW cursor on the notepad file. Yeah. My cursor didn't, oh wait. Okay. It's Discord. Discord. Numbers. Okay, so what are we doing? Oh yeah, this is a thing I can try to do. Okay, so okay, so times 2 plus. Okay, so we're timesing 2 and plus. So how do I do this? Okay, so I can do it like okay. Uh, okay. Can I imagine how I do it with a tree? Okay, so what happened here? I'd have the X node, and then I'd have a 2 node, and then I'd have a plus node. Okay, and then from there, I need to figure out what the plus is. So the plus is relevant because I need to know what I'm timesing. Okay, so 3, and then there's going to be divided by 2, 8. Okay, so I'm adding 3 and then a division of 8 by 2. So that's 4. I'm getting ahead of myself, I think. Okay, so do I know what this is? No. Do I know what this plus is? Yeah, it's adding 3 in the division. Okay, then the division is 8 divided by 2, I think. So that's going to be a 4. Okay. Then from here, I don't think I need this division symbol anymore. We found out what the division was, so now it's adding the division, which is 4. So we're adding 4 and 3 together, and that will get us yeah, 7. Okay, so then that's what the plus was for as well. Okay, I'm deleting too much stuff, didn't make enough new copies to see what I was doing, but good enough. Okay, so that's just 2 times 7. So that's 14? Yeah. Okay, didn't make new lines as I was going along, so now I don't really have the history of what I did. Yeah, it makes sense to start on the left. I was doing it on the right. Okay. 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 I got the 5 point. Where's the prefix one? Okay, what am I looking at? It's Notepad. That's what. Ugh. Is your stream stopped for me? Oh, I think it is. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, prefix. I don't actually need to type prefix. Okay, so wait, that was a plus symbol. Okay, so now I think it's just the 2 numbers to the right of the operator. Okay, so plus 4 and 7. So this is gonna be an 11. Okay, then we have 11 take away 2 times 3. Uh, uh, so is the problem that an operator was just working on 2 numbers and not another operator? Okay. Uh, thanks. Okay, so what am I doing now? I'm timesing something. What am I timesing? 3 and minus. Okay. So I need to figure out what this minus is. Okay, what is the minus? It is a okay, so what am I do? I'm taking away plus from 4. No, I'm taking away 4 from plus. So whatever the answer of this plus is, I'm taking away 4 from that answer. Okay, and then this. Okay, this one's closer to 4, I think. Huh. Okay, so whichever operator is close to it has priority on it. Okay, and the plus is still only using the 2 on the right. It's not like doing 3 on the right like I thought it was gonna do. Okay, and then the plus, these guys are the closest ones, so then this minus is like, okay, I'm just gonna add this. The minus is adding the plus, or minus is affecting plus and 2. Okay, so now what am I doing from here? Okay. Da, da, da. Okay, plus 4 and 7. 12, so that's a 11. That seems weird. Modifying a thing in the middle of it. Okay, so that turns the plus into an 11, basically. And then minus. Okay, so what are we doing here? It's 11 take away 2, so that becomes a 9. Okay, take away 2, yeah. 9. And then what do we do from here? 3 times 9, 18, 27. Okay, I think I did it. Okay. This thing. Screen. Untitled. Go live. Okay. I tried to switch it to Xmind, so it just turned black, so I'm gonna stop streaming and then stream it again. Yeah. Now everything's black. Maybe I need to restart Discord. Okay. Untitled. Go live. And then. Okay. Control N. Okay, I'll just. Oh no, Kiri died. Xmine does not want you to go further than 20%. How? Keep. What am I doing? This. Yeah. I can't zoom more than 20% out. Okay, so this is the another thing. Follow. Okay. Okay, so we're going from like left to right now. So we start with the times. Okay. And there's 2 children. Okay. 3. And this one's minus. Connecting the plus and the 2. Oh boy. Minus plus and the 2. Because the plus is working on the 4 and the 7. Okay. So subtract 2 from 11, so that becomes 9. Oh. Huh. Okay. 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 That's the tree. I think it is correct. Okay. Whoa. All offer is the beginning. Wow, what's happening? Fighting stuff. Okay. Oh no, I got webbed. I have like entangling roots or something. Where is that? It's not bound. Oh boy. Okay. Kiri. Oh no. I died. Oh wait, I released spirit. I released spirit. Maybe I shouldn't have. It's not too far. I'm just walking to where I died. Okay. Then what am I doing? I'm going back to this mine node here. Then what am I doing? New thing. Delete all of that. This new thing. What is it? Divide times. Wow. Oh no. No, Kiri! What am I shooting at this? Oh, okay. Oh boy. I'm gonna heal him a bit. Okay, that's enough heal for me to run. Okay, he ran away. Okay. So what are we starting at? We're starting at division. Okay, then what is this division applying to? It's applying to the multiplication and the addition. And then, okay, so now it's happening. Okay, so subtraction here. Okay, we have addition. Wait. Okay, so trying to remember what the rules were. Okay, so something about closest one working on the two next to it. Is that specifically about the two numbers next to it and not operators? Okay, operators work on the two things next to them. And there's also something about like some kind of exception where it was like okay, and that's specifically numbers. Okay, things that are close to a number have priority. So who has the top priority? This minus has the top priority for numbers, I think. Hmm. Stacks? Like literal stacks, so you could like stack a bunch of things? Like you could have a stack of apples? Huh. Oh, okay. I was thinking about stacks of boxes of apples. Okay. Okay. So the way I think this is gonna go is, what does this first want to do? Okay, what does this times want to do? It wants to times the plus in the subtraction. So whatever the result of the subtraction is, wants to time it with the result of the addition. Okay, then what does this addition want to do? It wants to add the what? Ew, question mark, no mage. And he's gone. Okay. You want to work on the two things, right? You get the 3, 1, then you get... Okay, I'm just gonna start writing things down because I feel like something's not gonna work, but if I write them down, then I can know better. Yeah. Okay, so what happens? Division, x, and the plus, then wait. I don't know if the x is gonna apply to the plus or not, because the division already took the plus. So I think the x is gonna apply to the subtraction and another number over. Okay, so division, he took x and plus. Okay, now what does the x get? It gets, oh, okay, right now I'm not sure who gets the minus, if it's the x or the plus. The thing where the closer operator gets a number, I think applies specifically to numbers. Uh, Started with an operator with two numbers. So this, okay, okay. So I can just start at like a minus. So I don't know where the minus is going to be in relation to the rest of the tree. But let's just say, oh no, now I have to press it again. Don't know where minus is going to be, but I do know he's very likely going to be working on this 3 and 1. I don't see how he could not be working on this 3 and 1 unless there's like a new rule. What? Okay. Okay, so there has to be like at least. Wait, did I stop following you? Okay. Uh, okay, I forget exactly what you said, but it was something about there has to be something that starts working on numbers without. Okay. It doesn't appear that I can structure this. Very sad. Doesn't. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll just make this like that. Sure. For now. Okay. So. So what are you doing? You're doing the 3 and the 1. Okay. So we're taking away 1 from 3. So this makes this 2. Uh. Okay. So that's gonna equal 2. Uh. The minus is now 2, and we have removed the 3 and the 1. I'm gonna also make edits to this thing, because that seems like it would make it easier to do as well. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Okay. This becomes 2. And also no more minus.
Speak, friend. Go forth to victory. Be safe. For the Horde, Thrallhall. Strength, what do you need?
Minus is a 2. So I'm also gonna put a 2 next to it. It's not getting divided though. Okay, I can just like separate it and say that the minus is now a 2. Sure. Whoa. Okay, and then where do we go from here? We can do the addition. Yeah. Okay, so what's the addition doing? It's adding 2 and 4. So that becomes a 6. So you're adding 2 and 4, and you then become a 6.
Elomon.
Okay, so so instead of adding the 2, the addition is adding the minus, I think. So you can delete that 2 and put it here. So it's adding 2, 4, and that becomes 6. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Fight master, terminals. Okay. War Song Runner update. Wait. Okay, Fight Master, and then what else was I picking up? Oh. I don't seem to have any War Song report stuff. Main inventory. Right click. Bundle of reports. Yeah. Okay. Bundle of reports. War Song Runner update. Yeah. Okay, so there's one War Song Runner thing, and now what do I do now? Just like teleport somewhere? Like Hearthstone? My hearth is Crossroads. There you go. Then this thing. Okay, so what did we just do? Figured out that the times is a 6. And I can become a 6 now. Okay. Wait, what did we figure out? No, we figured out the addition was a 6. Okay, and then what is this division doing? Huh. Okay, I feel like I might have made an error. Something about division working on the addition and the multiplication. But now it seems like it's not. Not sure. Gonna just try to continue anyway. Okay, multiplying 6 and 5. So 5 6 is 30. Okay, so multiply 6 and 5, which then becomes 30. Yeah, these floating points are a bit weird. Yeah, whatever. Hmm. Thing 6 5, that becomes 30. Becomes 30, and then wait a minute. Okay, so this is showing up as 30 divided by 6. I think I need to back up. Okay, undo. Okay, redo. Okay, so what did I do here? I did 30 divided by 2. This is 6. Okay, so the 6 is the addition, and that is being worked on by the division. So I don't think the multiplication can touch the 6. It needs to go for the 5 and the 2. Okay. The 6 is from using the addition and the okay. Uh, okay. Supposing this is the problem. Wait, so what's happening? So we're doing. Okay, so just starting over. This is what exists in front of me. Okay, so what's in front of me right now? Okay, so we're dividing something. What are we dividing? A multiplication and an addition. What's the multiplication? It's a 30, because it did a 6 and a 5, and that made it up to 30. And there's also an addition. He's 6. Why is he 6? I don't think it really matters, but I'm going to read it anyway. Oh, alright. It's just 6. Oh, and then there's also just 30. No multiplication either? Just 30? Oh, on your screen. Oh, that thing. Okay, so that's the new thing. So that's also. Okay, so it's the same thing I have right here. So I'm working on this. Systems. Let's do this. Okay. I can mean to keep going though. Dividing the times. X. What are we doing? We're timesing. Okay, so what are we doing? Okay, we have division. What are we doing with its division? Times and 6. Okay. But this times has first dibs on the 6, so it gets to do like 6 and the 5, and then we're dividing the times by 2. Okay, so I'm gonna make like a new node, I guess. Okay, division. Then what do we do from here? God, it's to the side. Okay, new node in here. Sure. Hopefully. Okay, I'm just gonna move this man out of the way. Whatever. Okay, new thing. We're doing division. This is the new tree. This is the base tree. Sure. Okay. Then what are we dividing? We're dividing this times by 2, because the times gets the 5, gets the 6 and the 5. So we're dividing times by 2. Okay. And then what's this times? It is a 6 and then a 5. Get 6, 5. So this becomes 30. Oh boy. Okay. This is 30. Yeah. And then we divide it by 2. So that gets us to 15. Okay, so this mathematical thing is 15. Okay, tree for the original unorganized. Okay, so I think I can just delete this thing. Should be fine to delete this. Okay, so tree for the original unorganized. Okay. Wait. Where did that guy go? He went up there somehow. Okay, I want to keep that one. Delete that. Okay, get this tree organized. Okay, where does the 6 and 2 go? Okay, I think this 2 goes at the subtraction. This goes at the addition. Get this. Okay, so what happened? I made this tree. Trying to divide 30 by 6. Uh, so beautiful. Mhm. Okay, as is, I feel like it would be very hard to organize the tree. I think I need to like back up and figure out uh, what happened, because I think the current tree is wrong somehow. Oh yeah, so it has something to do with this 6. I got the 6 from the addition, and then I basically put this addition into the multiplication, even though this addition is being worked on by the division. So what if I take out the addition from the multiplication? Okay, so addition, gone. Okay, so what is this guy working on? He's working on 5 and 2. Okay, 5 times 2. Okay, so this gets it to 10. Okay, so he's at 10. Okay, so the addition then becomes 10 because of the 5 and the 2. Okay. Uh, 2, 10. And then I think I just do 10 divided by 6. Okay. So what is division? Something repeated subtraction, I think. Okay, trying to figure out how to do division. Uh, 10 divided by 6. It was... no. Yes. Yeah, I think the way I got 30 was wrong, and that I messed something up. And I think this is... Okay, multiplication is multiplication. Uh... Hmm. Okay, that makes sense. Uh... Okay, from... Uh... Okay. From this, then I think that's correct. If we like start from this point, but if we start from this point, then I don't think we get to this point. I feel like I messed something up. Okay, what was the first thing? It was dividing times what was the thing that changed between the first line and the second one? Oh, what was the thing that changed between the first line and the second line? Oh, right. What happened between the first lines? I turned the division, I turned the subtraction into a 2 from 3 and 1. So I got rid of the 3 and 1 and turned it into a 2. Okay, do I see any problem with that? Okay, let's see. Start from here. Get 3 and 1. They turn into 2. I don't think there's a problem with that. Okay, what would the next thing be? It would be adding 2 and 4 to make 6, and the addition is now gone. I think there's a problem. Okay, not sure. Probably not, is what I'm thinking right now. The problem I was having was how I first made the tree, where it's dividing the multiplication by the addition, and then when I got to here, I tried to use the division with the addition. Okay, so okay, how can I make the tree match this? Okay. Yeah, divide 10, 6. Okay, trying this. Okay, trying to figure out what's wrong with the divide 10, 6 line. Just follow the line above it. Step 1, step 2. Okay, step 2. What did we add? We added 6 and 4. Oh, wait, multiplication. How did that become a 6? Okay, so what was I trying to do here? Alright, I was thinking that the 6 was taken by the division, so then with the multiplication, I did the 5 and the 2. Oh, okay, multiply is closer, so it has priority to get the 6. So that would mean that... wait, did I delete all that? Okay, what am I doing first? Then I... Okay, so... multiply gets a 6 and 5. Okay, 6, 5, that becomes 30. So multiply here. I guess what am I doing? Okay, so I'm just gonna rewrite it. 2. Okay, then it gets a 6 and the 5, and then it becomes a 30. Okay, so then it's a 30 divided by 2. Okay, so where is this at right now? It is at 6. Okay, so what's happening? Division, so what did I do? Okay. You get the 6. So that would mean, where does this 6? Okay, so you get a 6 and a 5. Okay, So instead of this 2, the addition gets this 2. I mean, the division gets 2. And you get this. Okay, that becomes 2. Yeah. And then I don't know where these are going. Okay, I'll just delete those for now. Okay, so what's happening here? This becomes a 2, then it's 2 plus 6, so that becomes a 6. Okay, then what happens here? 6 times 5, that's 10, 60, half 30. Okay, so then this becomes 30, and then it is 30 divided by 2, which would then become a 15.
Loktar.
Do I think I have it? Okay, so subtraction 2, addition 2, 4, 6. Okay, cool. Then multiplication 6 by 30. Okay, then division 22. Huh. Depends on what the rules are. But do I think I got it? I'm not sure. I guess I'm leaning yes, that I got it. Okay, so the problem I was having was about what this division gets to divide, I think. But then I think you mentioned earlier to just like figure out what the last thing is. Stacks seem interesting. I'd like to learn about the stacks. Although, I think I'm gonna take a quick break because I'm hungry and thirsty. Yeah. So I think I'll be back in like 10 minutes or something.
Go forth to victory. What are you looking for? Go with honor.
I need a target.
I'm back. Hi. Ugh. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about the stacks. Does it have any relation to Stack Exchange? Mhm. Yeah. That is called push. And pop. Okay. Hmm. Yes. So we can't like grab something from the bottom because something's already on top of it. If it's like in a filing cabinet. Yeah, they like vertical. So like yeah, papers are vertical in a filing cabinet. So filing cabinet where everything is placed directly downwards, like flat. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, so you're putting like the third thing and the fourth thing, or is like the thing? Okay. Okay. Put the numbers. Hmm. Okay. So this could be like. Mhm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Take me around. We got our 200 out. Yeah. Yeah. Uh. Yeah. I think so. Slightly confusing because of the lag between you saying something and it showing up at the right when you're typing the numbers. Three, 400. Okay. Okay. So we can only take the things off on top. So if we wanted to like get to the 3, we'd have to take out the 100 and the 4 first. Okay, prefix plus use stack to keep track. Okay, so that's post. Mm-hmm. Mm. We so plus means like take two things. Okay, so what would we be plussing? Okay, this is in a stack. So we remove two things. What's that gonna get us? It's gonna get us a 3 and a 4. So we take those out, we add them together. 3 plus 4. That's a 7. So then we get a 7. And then what's our new plus? Yeah, and yeah. And then we like okay, and then we read the new instruction. Mm-hmm. It's like the next command. So yeah. Mm-hmm. So we get like the last two numbers. Cool. Nine, and then put it back in. Hmm. Okay, so 2 and 1. Then okay, first we take off the 1, then we take off the 2, but we do 1 take away 2. So why do we flip them around? So like the 2 is the earlier number. He's like if we take away 2 numbers, then uh there's like okay, 2 numbers. One of them was in first, the other's in second. So like the one that was in second is the one we're gonna do second. The one that was in first, we're gonna do first. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mhm. Okay, go through this, put the numbers in the stack, figure out what it is. Here we go. Okay, I think I want to open a notepad for this. And then also stream the notepad. Uh, okay, I need to stop streaming so I can stream a different thing. Okay, different thing. Okay. First, Polish, notation, reverse, reverse. Uh, so what was the thing? Okay. Uh, okay. So I don't know why it's called problem. Okay. Uh, what's a math problem? Is that like the thing we're trying to do? Hmm. Okay. And then stack is like what the stack is. Okay. Uh, okay, so what is the first thing? Thing solve stack. Okay, so we start with the 1 and 2. Okay, what are we doing? We're gonna take them and subtract them. Okay, so one. Uh, okay, so I'm gonna have a stack as well then. Stack, sure. And I'll just have this as like, uh, sure. Okay, so we have. Okay, so then this is like. Okay, so what's this thing's stack to begin with? It's just a 1 and a 2. Okay. Okay, so this is a 1 and 2. So what are we doing? Uh, yeah, yeah, taking them out. And then what are we doing? Okay, 1 is first, so he goes first. Oh, wait. Think so. Mm-hmm. Oh, right. Okay, so. Okay, so we put them in the stack, which means we take them out of the thing to solve, kind of. Okay. Okay, then what's the next thing we're doing? We are subtracting 2 from 1. We take out 2 first, but they're in this order, so like uh, we subtract 2 from 1, because 1's the first guy to be in the stack. Okay, so subtract 2 from 1, that gets us to minus, minus 1, which means we take this out. Okay, then what's the next thing we're doing? Okay, 3. Are we putting a 3 in the stack? I think so. We're putting a 3 in the stack now. Okay, now what's happening? Addition. Okay, what are we adding? Okay, this guy's first, so we take these guys out of the stack. Well, I'm not going to take them out of the stack yet. Okay, think so. Addition. We're at addition right now. What does this mean? It means we're adding. What is addition? It's when you get one thing and you combine it with another thing. Sure. Okay, what are we combining? Minus 1 into 3. Okay, how does this work? That would become a 2. Because like if you have 3 and then wait, the number line. Hmm. I forget how that. Oh right, number line. It has like the pluses and the minuses. Okay, so what is a plus? Oh yeah, and then you can like start it. Oh, what about the side arrows? Oh, okay. I don't know. I mean, like on your image selection thing, maybe you could get to the one you tried to click on. Uh, yeah, and then minus 12. Yeah. Okay, so uh, yeah. Hmm. Okay. It's just okay. Uh, okay. It was minus 1. Okay. What am I doing? Addition. So adding minus 1, 3. That gets us to. Okay, so what's the first thing we're doing? We're going back 1. Then what's the next thing we're doing? We're going forwards 3. So that means we get to 2. Sure. Uh, mhm. Okay, so that means. Okay, so what's the answer? That would be a 2, and we're getting rid of this now. Okay, now what's the next step? Okay, we're adding a 5. Cool. Okay, now what are we doing? Okay, we're doing some addition. Okay, that's going to become a 7. Okay, sick. Okay, now what are we doing? We're adding a 3. Okay, sick. We added a 3. Okay, now we're doing some subtraction. Okay, 3. I mean, it's going to be a 7. Take away 3, so that's going to be, huh. How do you do? I was gonna do it as counting down, like 6, 5, 4, but I think uh, there's something about counting down not being good or something, so I'm trying to do it without counting down. Uh, I forget. I don't know exactly. I think it was one thing I talked about once with someone. I don't know. Hmm. Okay. So, hmm. Okay. I'm just gonna count in, I guess. What is 7? That's like 2 more than a 5, I think. Yeah, 7's 2 more than a 5. And 1 less would be. Okay, anyway, it's 4. Okay, now we're adding a 2. Sick. Okay, now we need to multiply. Okay, 4 times 2. Now we got an 8. Sick. Okay, that's fun. That's kind of like computing, I think. Computers work in a line or something, and I worked in a line. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay, so the bottom one is the yeah. Mhm. 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 Oh, so that's like there's push and pop. Then get a 2. Yes. Is uh, huh. And then it just did the thing. Okay. Then next. Hmm. Okay, so I have to push when we're just like entering numbers because it's not sure. Like, are you trying to add more numbers? Are you trying to make this number bigger? Are you making this number bigger, or is it a new number? I don't know. So we entered. Then uh 7. Hmm. Yeah. I guess. Okay. I was trying to follow along with you, but then I was out of sync with your pressing buttons. I think because like you were talking, and then like delayed. Okay. So the first thing we do is press 1. Okay. Sick. Uh, Now I just put that in. Uh, uh okay. It's Discord screen Windows. This one. Uh, okay. Should be good. Okay, so I think this one just clears. I think AC is all clear, which just like sets it back to everything 0. I don't exactly know how calculators work. Okay, so what's the first thing we're doing? Okay, we do a 1. Sick. And then there's a space in between, which means like it's okay. There's like a 1, and then there's a 2. If there was no space in between them, then that would mean it was a 12. But because there's space in it, it means like enter onto the next thing. Okay, what's the next thing? 2. Sick. Okay, now what are we doing? Minus. Okay, so I just click the minus, and then it does that. Okay, sick. We did the minus. Uh, Now what are we doing? We're doing 3. Yep. 3. Boom. Okay, now it's after the 3. A plus. Okay, if we did the plus. Okay, now it's happening. We're doing a 5. Okay, then what's after the 5? Another plus. Sick. Okay, now it's after the plus. 3. Okay, we're at the 3. Now it's happening. Minus. Sick. Okay, now we're doing a 2. Awesome. Uh, then we're doing a times. Okay, then we got to 8. Mhm. Okay, 1. Okay, sick. We did 1, 2. Okay, sick. 3. Okay, sick. Now what are we doing? 4. Okay, sick. Now we're doing plus. Yep. Okay, now what's next? Uh, 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 yeah. Hmm. Okay, so one of the rules of this. Okay, so all clear should work. Okay, so like one of the rules with this calculator then is like only enter. Okay, we're typing through. Uh, typing. Hmm. 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 Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Uh, can you focus back on the thing? Because I don't have the problem. Okay, so if after one number is an operator, then I don't press enter. I just press the operator. Like, okay, enter and on. Okay, so we start at 1, okay, then 2, 3, and 4. Wait, I pressed enter on the 4. Uh, pa. Wait. Oh, pa. Cool. Yeah. Now what are we doing? We're at 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we're doing a plus. I think I hit the plus. I'm confused. It shows an indentation as if it's pressed. Don't you see that? Should I predict what would happen first? I don't know. I haven't. Okay. I think it was some kind of graphical glitch where it didn't actually do the addition. Uh, it just like pressed it in. Do you see like here how it shows like a clicking symbol and it's highlighted the plus? But if I move here, it doesn't show a click symbol, but it highlights the plus. Maybe. Okay, so we're gonna take out the. We need two numbers for the plus, so we're gonna take out the 3 and the 4. Okay, 3 plus 4, that will get us to 7. Okay, put her back in. Then we're gonna have 3 stacks. Will be 1. Uh, okay, what are we taking out? We're taking out the 3 and the 4. Okay, so 1 and 2 is not gonna be touched. Then there's gonna be a 7 here. So this is gonna turn into a 7, and then we're gonna have a 1 and a 2. So 1, 2, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 7. How did this one come into existence? Huh. Okay. Okay, what's the next thing? We just did a plus, which means we're gonna hit some division. Okay, so that's gonna be 2 divided by 7. I don't know what that is. I thought it was gonna be like. I thought it was gonna be like 3.5. Okay, we're just gonna hit division. Wonderful. Right. Okay. Divide. Whoa. Okay. Then what's the next thing we're doing? We're doing subtraction. Uh, okay, it's only going to do the other two numbers anyway. Okay, what are we doing? Subtraction. Boom. Okay, so we subtracted the really long number from the 1, and then we got a slightly larger number. Not slightly, it's like 2 times larger. Did my WoW just crash? I was kicked from being AFK.
You wish to speak?
I don't have anything conjured, so it's not urgent to like relog. Okay. Read the text. Okay. Reverse. Reverse. Quickest way to enter data in the calculator because it eliminates the need for parentheses. It was made mainstream by HP when they implemented it in the programmable calculator. It is also very simple to code into a computer program. Okay, so this is the quickest. Hmm. Mhm. You just like enter things and it happens without any needing to mess around with like parentheses, order of operations. Just like, okay, what's the next thing I'm doing? X. Okay, now what? Y. Okay, then we're doing Z. Cool. Then we got A, and you can just like enter things in order without having to worry about anything. It also seems like it makes it super simple. Like you can just give someone kind of a command line, and it's just like enter these things into the computer. It like makes it a lot simpler as well, I think. Just like you see that, enter it. Not sure what purpose that would really have, uh, but it becomes simpler. Okay. Okay, so okay, order is parentheses, then okay. Okay, so first we do 3. What if I just click AC? Deletes the whole stack. Yeah. I recently figured that out with a iPhone calculator. I didn't really know what AC or C did, but I tried clicking AC and it seemed to delete everything. So okay, so I just tried to. Wait. I'm not sure what I'm doing. If I'm like trying to do it as okay. Okay, so that's regular math, but I want to do it as if it didn't have parentheses. I kind of want to figure out like what it is at base. And okay, so I think we do a 1 push 2, and then what are we doing with that? We're doing an addition. Sick. Okay. Uh, okay. Then you were supposed to do a 3 plus 4, so we're gonna push this in. Then we're gonna do a 3. Okay, and then we're gonna do a 4. Okay, then we do an addition on that. Okay, then what are you supposed to do after those? You do a multiplication, so now we hit some multiplication. Mm. Yeah, because like what you're supposed to do is like, what's 1 plus 2? That's 3. And then, okay, we need to times it by another thing. What's that other thing? 3 plus 4. So then you times like the 1 plus. Yeah. Okay, so like in a normal calculator, the way I do it, I guess, is like get the 3, then like have to remember the 3. Because I don't think if I'm just using one calculator, I don't think I can like save a number. Mhm. Reverse Polish notation seems good. Do more things use it? It seems really good. Why isn't it used a bunch? So, am I correct in assuming that it's pretty good and people should use it a lot? Can like scientific calculators do it or something? There's something with scientific calculators having stuff. I'm pretty sure some calculators you can literally make games on them. Yeah, it even yeah, in their famous programmable calculators. Okay, HP famous programmable calculators had reverse Polish notation. Famous programmable calculators. They're just programmable calculators, I think. Prefix notation with a stack. Okay, so right now we're doing like postfix, like we enter things, then like okay, what were we doing? Like an addition. But like with prefix, it'd be like okay, what are we doing? Addition. Then what? 1 and 2. I think that's how it would work. Uh, can we put an operator into the stack? Okay, stack of okay. This one, this one, this one, this one. No. Stop talking. I'll be back soon. Hi, I'm back. Let me get this. Okay. So what am we working on? Plus. Okay, I think I copied everything. Well, oh, fuck. Yeah, I'm having a bit of a problem where my Discord mute mic button is equals, and mute Discord and mic is minus. Okay. Now what am I doing? Okay. So this is the problem. Like, this is what we're trying to figure out. That's the problem. Then, like, working copy is like, we're gonna move things around, we're gonna edit it, we're gonna change it, we're gonna like take the thing out, then put it in the stack. So this is just like the original. What are we doing to begin with? This is change things around, figure out how to make it work. And this is like our stack, which is like what's in there. So right now nothing's in our stack, for our little stack. Okay, so we have a plus. Okay, then we can do. Okay, now we have a minus. Wait, what am I doing? Okay, so there's a plus and a minus. Okay, don't really know how these interact with things. I'm gonna try to move a 3 in there. Okay, 3. Okay, so 3. What are we doing with 3? Okay, so we're gonna subtract 3. Okay. With 4? Is that what we're doing? Okay, so it's gonna be a 3 and a 4. What are we gonna do with them? It's gonna be 3 take away 4. So that's gonna become -1. Okay, sick. So we did our operator, and now we got okay, we did our operator, now I got a -1. Oh. Wait. So that's like the one we're looking at and like doing things. Wait, so math takes 2 numbers? Can you do math with only 1 number? Is that possible? Okay, plus, minus, times 5, everything. Okay. Uh, current number is 3. Okay, so what's happening right now? Okay, so right now the current number is 1. This is like the one that's in our hand, and we're figuring out what to do with. So like, what we did was we took minus out of the stack, and then we put it with something else. I forget, it doesn't matter. And then we made a -1. Okay, well, we took a minus out of the stack, then there's 2 other numbers, combined them somehow, dunno, turned into a -1. Now we're at a -1. Okay, and then Just an operator and two numbers. We can do it. Okay. Is there any problem? Is there any problem with like having them in different stacks? It seems like it could be a problem. Somehow. Maybe one thing in it. Hmm. One sec. Okay, I'm not sure. I'm following. I think I'm kind of confused because like I'm trying to treat everything as being in like one stack, and then there's like stuff we're currently doing with it. But like having two different stacks seems confusing to me. It seems like you'd need some kind of uh notification about like what is actually where in the real stack. So like if we had plus plus minus. Hmm. You have to have one number that we're keeping track of. Okay. Plus number stack. And then okay. 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 Then we have 3. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay. 2. Hmm. So what happens? Okay, current total is 3. Yeah. Mhm. So, like, what happens if you try to do prefix, but with only one stack? Does it just, like, not work? So, like, if we tried to do it with only one stack, then we'd put a plus in, then we'd put another plus in, then we'd put a minus in, and then we also just put a 3 in, and then, like, mhm. Okay. Uh, hmm. Okay. I don't know if I should make another thing. Okay, so there's a stack, and there's... Should I have an operator stack now? I think so. My stack is only an operator stack. Huh. Okay. Okay, so what's happening? We're at -1. Okay, then we need to add this thing. Okay, so now we have two numbers, so that means we can do some math, I think. Okay, so what is the math we're doing? -1 plus 5. So that's just taking 1 away from 5, so it becomes 4. Okay, so problem solved. Mhm. Mhm. Stacks seem interesting. Cute. Uh, okay, so I'm kind of imagining like if you have a U, and then like you can put something in one end of the U, or you can take something out of the other end of the U, or you can put something in one end of the U, and put something in the other end of the U as well. Wait, so how does it work? I'm like imagining it with a U. What happens if you... Is there like a limit, or are we just imagining it's like an infinite U? Okay. But they can also transfer to from one side to another. So like let's say the U is currently empty, then we put something in on the left side, and then we like press a button on the right side, and it's like take out something, and then okay, uh, it will just take it out from the other side. Okay, so it, like grows as needed, and it also switches. It can also like take out the closest thing. Mm-hmm. Okay. Right now I'm imagining it as like the U can just keep growing forever. Uh, okay, so if I put like same on the left end of the U, and I put like a 2 and a 1 in, if I like try to take out something from the left end, it will take out the 1 because that was the most recent thing I just put in. But on the right end, if I try to take something out, it will bring me the 2. Hmm. Huh. What's the point of having Preston? Okay, so the first thing you put in is going to be the last thing that comes out. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Yeah, so if you have it like the... Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Oh, yeah. But you could imagine it like a system where there's like a line and there's only like one entrance, which also turns into an exit. So like everyone like gets in a line and then it like reaches the end of the line and then the entrance now becomes the exit. So like they swap something around and now like the first person who or the last person who went in is now also the first person to go out. So that would be like first in is the last out. Yeah. 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 Hmm. But if you have it like a kind of view system where there's like two exits or something, then uh, uh, mm, yeah, uh, mhm. Yeah, there's like a giant tube at like the terminal or whatever. Okay. Also, it might not be worth it as well if it's like too small of a plane. Like maybe if it only holds like 100 people, like they're gonna be going out pretty quickly anyway. It doesn't matter to have like a second thing. So it's like not really a major choke point thing to worry about. Like they're gonna go out like already in like a minute. Why speed it up to like 30 seconds? So you'd want to find like a bigger bottleneck, like something that is like 10 minutes, and you could slow it down to like or speed it up to 5 minutes instead. No. Okay, prefix. So okay, prefix is the trees we've normally been doing, I think. I don't know if I've done a postfix tree. Okay. Okay, okay. Oh boy, this seems like one of the biggest trees yet. Yeah. Okay, so what's the first thing we're gonna be doing? We're gonna be doing No, subtraction. Okay. Huh. Okay, so what's something that can just happen and there's no problem with it? Maybe the times? Oh, okay, can use a stack. And this is prefix. Okay. So let's say I put it. Oh wait, this is gonna be problem. Okay, and it's prefix. So I want. Okay, problem. Working copy. Okay, we have current number, and okay, wait a sec. I'm going to move this forwards because I want it to be at about the same level as the operator stack. Okay, everything has their equals at the same place. That feels better. Okay, so what are we doing? Here's the problem, which I'm also going to move forwards. Okay, so current number gone. Okay, so we just kind of put all these operators into the operator stack. They can't do anything without having a number. Okay. First number. Okay, we still can't really do anything with it. Oh wait, would this go in working number? No, because we can't do anything with it. I mean, I don't think we'd go into current number because we can't do anything with it yet. Oh, okay. So, so what would I do with this number 1? Would that go into the current number as well, or would it go into the stack? We're gonna do some math. Okay, so now we have like current number. Would it work to have it like current number 2 and 1? Okay, and then we're doing times. So 2 times. Wait, what was the first number? Uh, okay, the first number was 2. Oh, right, it doesn't matter if you times it by 1 or 2 times 1, they're both gonna just be 2. I was thinking they're just gonna be the same. Yeah, right. Okay, so this is just gonna be 2. So we take out the operator. Okay, now can I write that in the tree? Okay, it worked. This kind of. Okay. What? I'm gonna try to see if I can change thing. Change window. Screen. Okay. Okay. I think I can do that. So I can click this, and it should be fine. Okay, now there's 2 things. Yeah. Hmm. So now what am I doing? Okay. 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 Hmm. This is a tree. This is a math. Okay, so what was the original problem? Okay, so we put this into, I think, okay. Okay, I'm gonna go pee and drink some water, then I'll be back. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Okay, this is the current thing. Can I zoom in? Whoa. Okay, problem. Work copy. Okay, so I made it to the 3. Okay, so right now I'm at the 2, 1. So it's 2. Okay, so what can I do with this? Okay, I think like the first thing we do kind of goes like at the bottom of the tree. I'm not really sure. Mhm. So it doesn't like have to be like forcefully like we're starting at division or whatever. Like I don't know where I'm starting at. So like just start doing things, then we can connect them later. Yes, that means like I can just have like different topics or whatever. Too many topics. Now it's short. Okay, different topics. So like right now, what are we doing? We're gonna be doing multiplication. So it's gonna be multiplication, like 2 and 1. Yeah, and then okay, I can just like have it in here and just be like 2 for the answer maybe in parentheses. Okay, so now current number is 2. And also okay, so this is the operator stack. We used this operator and created 2. Okay, now what's the next thing? 3. We're gonna put in a 3 over here. Okay, so now we have a 3. What are we doing with this 3? We're doing some addition. Okay. Oh, right. I can like use cut command. Okay, so now we have a 2 and a 3. And then what would that look like in here? Okay, now we're doing some addition. Okay, 2, 2, 3. Okay. Uh, from current number. Did I forget to delete it or something? All right, we got the 2 from this guy, which would mean, yeah. All right. So we got a 2 because we did a math operator, which would mean like we got a 2 because we did this thing. So like this turned into, right. So like if we get a number from an operator, then we put the like operator and the steps we did for that in like the tree. Okay, so then a 2 and a 3. So what are we doing with that? We're doing addition. Okay, so that turns it into a 5. And then we can mention that in here, 5. Okay, so now at a 5. We have a math thing. Okay, what's the next thing? We have a division. Okay, so we're just gonna put the division over here. Okay, now what's the next thing? Okay, we have a 4. So I can put the 4 in here. Okay, now we're doing some math. So it's gonna be 5 divided by 4. Okay, how do I do that? Okay, so 5 divided by 2. 5 and stuff. Uh, hmm, I don't know. Right now I'm gonna try to do 5 divided by 4. Okay, so what's 5 divided by 2? 2.5. Okay, what's half of 2.5? Okay, what's half of 2? 1. What's half of 5? Okay, so I think it's 1.25 is the answer. Okay, so we remove that, and this becomes 1.25. Wait, did we do math? Where do I put that on the tree? Okay, so I can find out where the working copy is, and then where I am on the working copy. So I was like right here. So I did some kind of division. All right, I did a division involving which numbers? 4 and 5. How did I get the 5? Oh, I got the 5 from this plus, I think. Okay, so I got the 5 from this plus, and then over here, I think is the 4 that I got. Okay, so this is so I think we make this guy go under here. And what did I do? I got 1.25 because there was a 4. It was a division. Okay, so I think that's what happened. Okay, and then that gets us to 1.25. 1.25. Okay. Now it's happening at 1.25. Okay, so we get a new operator. That guy can just go in here, whatever. Okay, now we get a new number. Okay, 5. Okie dokie. So that's gonna be 6.25. Yeah, okay. So, oh no. Okay. So what is the operator we're gonna do? We're gonna be doing an addition of 1.25 with 5. Okay, and then that will get us to 6.25. And then give it the addition. Okay. $6.25. Then what's next? A 6. Okay. What are we doing with the 6? We are subtracting. Okay, so this is gonna be not as well. 6. Okay, so we're gonna be subtracting. How are we subtracting? 6.25 take away 6. Okay, so that just becomes 0.25. Okay, let's put this in the tree first. Okay, 6.25. So what is this? We're doing a subtraction. God damn, I was muted for a while. Okay, tree is a minus. Operator stack. Okay, what is it doing? It is getting. It is subtracting 1 from 0.25, which means the tree is Damn, I really need to change this binding for like muting myself and also deafening myself at the same time. Okay. I'm not gonna push any buttons. I'm gonna think. Yeah. Okay. I'm not muted. I'm not muted. Okay. Current number 0.25. Then we need to do an operation on 0.25 and 1. Okay. So we take 1 out of 0.25. So what if we took 1 out of 0? That would turn it into minus 1. Then what if we added 0.25? That would turn it into minus 0.75. So yeah, this is a 0.75 minus. So that's what this turns into. I'm going to mute myself, which means I have to unmute myself. Okay, then 0.75. And boom. Okay, and then it turns out this is what it equals. I'm not muted. Okay, I think I did the tree. Mm, I so like looks like minus 1 quarter. Like this is the result page, and then this is like this is the math what we did, and then this is the result. I think so. I'm gonna get more water. And also maybe change binding. Like I don't really know what else to change it to, so I'm just gonna change it to like a fucking numpad button for now, sure. Uh, yeah. Yes. Uh, divided by huh. two numbers to the right of that. Okay, so there should be two numbers to the right of the last minus, but there's only one number. Okay, it's still. Uh, yeah, I can hear you, but I guess that's because it's through Discord. Uh, hmm. Uh, okay, I'm gonna.
Okay. Okay, it just decided to select device not connected instead of my mic for some reason.
Okay, I'm getting water. Be back soon.
I had issues with this mic the other day. I had to plug it in again, get it to work. So it's possible there's an issue with my cord or something.
I'm back.
Hello.
This needs to be. No, not that. It needs to be this.
Okay, you got the postfix problem?
Oh, postfix.
The bottom of Discord. So
Okay, there it is.
try going through that and using a stack and making a tree as you go along. I'm good?
Okay, use that, make a stack entry as I go along. Okay, so where did I fail with the division?
Oh, you divided a number that was to the left. Or to the
Uh,
in prefix, the operators should apply to things to.
hmm.
But you were looking at the stack with the current number thing, and that threw us off.
Oh. Okay, so how would I?
The current number thing would work better if we just put all the operators on the left and then all the numbers, and then I think it would work.
So if we treated it like a U or something?
No, anyway, don't worry about it.
Okay, don't worry about it.
It's not that important. If you actually need to use stuff a bunch, you can practice it. Figure out all the details.
Okay.
But it's not really relevant to the stuff we're gonna work on.
Okay. After this too, I think I might want to be done. It feels like
Yeah,
it's
that
been.
was my plan.
Yeah. Okay. So now what are we doing? A new thing. What's the new thing? The thing you just sent, which I have selected. Okay, so this is gonna be a postfix tree. Okie dokie. Rotation. Rotation over there. Hmm. Okay. So this. Screens. This one. Okay. Uh, okay, this thing. Mind node. No, this is mind node. This is X mind.
Front stream.
Okay. One. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I don't know if I should use reverse Polish notation calculator.
I don't think you need that, but
Okay. So right now we don't need operator stack when we're doing post. Wait, this is
you
old.
just need one stack.
Mm. Stack. Okay, so we
You don't need
do.
a current number.
Oh, huh. Working copy, I guess. Okay, so just 1, 2, 3. Okay, then plus. We need two numbers for this plus, so that's gonna. This plus will turn these guys into a 5.
Yep. And then
Okay,
work on your tree.
minus. Oh, right, I got to do that. Tree, you're going to be deleted. No, I guess I can do. Oh no. What the fuck?
You hit something and got a floating topic to occur?
Okay, I was trying to
Did
do
you hit?
something with Control V and Enter. Okay. I wanted to Control V because I had a thing, and I also tried to enter.
You just hit enter and get a floating topic? Was that?
I think.
What the fuck? Now you have like dozens? How many are there? That many, okay. I never
Okay,
understood
so
how it works.
let's try Control Enter. Okay, V Enter. Okay, I did Control V and Enter. Control V V V V V V.
Click that you're not, you don't have anything selected and then
Okay.
just select nothing and then do paste.
I wanted to delete this thing. Paste.
Anything? No?
Control V. Okay, Control V, Enter.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna delete these. Okay, new. Yeah, it's weird. This. Okay, now it's on that. Okay. So what did we do here? Okay, we made it to the negative. So what happened? Some topics. Okay. Okay, so we made it to plus, and then we got the thing. We got 5. Now we're at minus. So 1 take away 5. That will get us down to -4. Okay, so how does that look like? Okay, so it's gonna. This is gonna be a child. It's gonna be. Okay. B minus, then on the left, 1. That will get us to -4. Okay, then we need to take out this, -4.
Yep.
Okay, then what's happening now? Working copy. Okay, so we're gonna put a 5 in. Okay, then we're putting. Wait, did I say I was putting a 5 in? I think I meant to say 4. Was 4 going in? Yeah, 4 was going in. Okay, then we're putting a 5 in. Okay, then we got a 5 going in. Okay, now we're doing some math. Okay, so we're like putting a 5 in. This is like a 4 and a 5. And then we're doing math on those. So they were kind of just like unrelated to anything previous. That's going to be a new branch in the tree. Okay, so it's going to be an addition. And it's going to have a 4 and a 5. Okay, so kill the addition. That's going to get us to 9. Okay. Okay, then what are we timesing? Okay, we're timesing -4 times 9. So we're going to have 9 minus 4s. Okay, is it easier to think of it as 4s? Okay, I think it's going to be -36. Okay, let's see where it goes in the tree first. Okay, so I think these are both going to be like children of another thing. Okay, what are they going to be children of? Multiplication. Okay, so it's going to be -4 times 10. That'd be 40. Okay, plus 4. That get us to 36. Yeah, so it's going to be -36, I think. Okay, so. Okay, so what did we do? We get rid of this and get rid of that, and it's going to be 36. Okay, now we have 2. So just put the 2 in there, I guess. Okay, and then it's going to be division. So you are actually division, and one of your other children is going to be a 2, and then it's 36. Okay. Minus. How do you divide a minus? Okay, so what is division? It's repeated subtraction. Okay, how does that work? Okay, what if it was 36 divided by 2? Okay, if it's 36 divided by 2, then it would just be like half of 36, but now I don't really know what that means. I just kind of like know that divided by 2 means it's half, so I don't really know how to deal with other things, I think. Hmm. Mhm. Okay, I think I forget how division works.
Okay, repeated subtraction.
Okay, so how does that... What?
How many times subtract 2 from...
Uh, okay, so how many times can I
So,
subtract 2? I
you're,
think
you're
that
at
would...
minus 36 on the number line.
Yes, I think it's going to be a negative amount of times I can subtract it.
And then, yes. Then you're going to go home and walk 2 miles at a block.
So, number line. Number line. Number line? Number line. Uh... Is this a number line? Okay, it appears I found a number line. Whole numbers. Up to 100, sure. Is that what I did or not?
I think you
Start
just
at
made it
0.
count by 1. You just want to go back.
Count by ones.
I think it was already configured correctly. You just had to close the...
Okay, start at...
Oh, you might want to start at like minus 40 or...
minus 40. Why minus 40? What's that gonna do?
It'll have minus 36 on the line instead of not.
Okay, I'm gonna do 50, so 0 is centered. Can I make it go further out? Not really. Okay, unless there's another button I can use. I don't know how this thing works.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, it comes with a drawing thing. Okay. What's this button? No ticks, no numbers, decimals, fractions, whole numbers. Sure. Okay, I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay, so what am I doing? I can just try, and if I encounter a problem, I can just like fucking make it 98. How do I scroll? Oh, okay, that's how I can scroll around. Okay, so what is it gonna be? It's going to be 36 divided by 2. So what was the way to think of it again? Like, what were you talking about?
Okay, well, you're starting at negative 36.
Okay, so we start at negative 36. So let's see, where is you? Okay, it's up here. Negative 36. We like
Now we're
start
trying to go home. Where's
here.
home?
Oh my god, is there a way to draw permanently?
Rev.
Oh, 36. Okay, sick.
Okay, and we're trying to go home. Where's home?
Where is home? I think home is negative 36.
No.
Uh,
Home is always 0.
oh. Okay. Okay, so you start at there, and we try to go home. Okay. And then we do something with,
And then we're going in, we're walking 2 miles at a time.
like, walking 2 miles at a time. How do we know we're trying to go home?
We're always trying to go.
Oh. So sometimes you could try to go home, but you'd end up just, like, walking in this direction. And you'd fail.
Well, we could do it the other way. We could start at home, try to go to minus 6. But home was like involved in something. If you want to start at home and walk to -3, that too.
Oh boy. Is there an eraser? Oh boy, this is a small eraser. Uh,
So that line's out of the way anyway.
okay, so where are we going?
You can go from -36 to home, or you can go from home to -36. It's the same distance either way.
Okay, we can go. Okay,
Question
so
is, if you walk 2 miles at a time, how many walks do you
walk 2 miles at a time. How many walks do I need? I need like half of 36, so that would be okay, half of 30, 15. Half of 6, 3. 15 plus 3. 16, 17, 18.
That is correct.
Okay, so you'd go like 1, 2, 3. Oh god, this is gonna be drawing well, maybe. 4, 5, 6,
Yeah. That's stuttering.
7.
You can keep going if you want to count.
Yeah, whatever.
Up to you.
Okay. Wait, so would this bring us to 2?
No, it'll bring us to.
Oh. How would it bring us?
If you do 18 of them, you will end up at 0. Count them.
Okay. So how many is this up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13? Yeah.
Yes. Why don't you write a 13 over? You don't lose your point. 14?
2, 1, 4. How do you write a 4? Where's the 4? Okay, that's a 4. Good enough. Okay, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18.
Yep.
Huh. I still don't know what the 2 has to do with this.
We're dividing by 2.
Okay, so we're dividing by 2. What does it mean to divide?
It's repeated subtraction. How many 2?
Okay, so how many 2s can I take
Or
out?
if you have 36 marbles and divide them into 2,
There'd be 18 groups. Yeah,
yep. You can also think of it, if you have 36 marbles and you divide them into 2 groups, how many marbles are in each?
that would be 18 marbles in each group.
Yep, and then you just have to be careful with the negative. Figure out if they answer.
Okay, so how many times can I take 2 out of minus 36? Until it reaches 0? Like, how many times? Well,
Yeah, I mean,
it
the
won't
answer to
reach
that
0.
is none because they're already below 0. You have to take out -2. You have to have a.
So I have to take out negative 2s. It's like, how many positive 2s? I kind of wonder. Okay, so how many positive 2s would I need? I'd need 18. Or wait. Okay. 30.
Another way to look at it is if you start at 0, trying to get to -36.
Trying to get to this. Minus 18.
Yeah. Need fewer than 0 twos for the wrong.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm at 0. I want to go to minus 36 with 2s. How many 2s do I need? I need like a negative amount of 2s. I need to like not have.
Need to undo the old 2 that happened in
Or I need like a genie to like get rid of the 2s I already have, which like don't exist. If I'm at 0 and he gets rid of 2, then I go back 2. So he needs to do that 18 times, and then I'll be at 36.
Yep. So final answer is
I guess it's 18, but I'm still trying to figure it out more, like think about it. So like, how many 2s do I need to get to 36? I need negative 18 2s. I think, yeah, I think I'm fine with that. Okay. Okay, so what is this? Divided by 2. Uh, okay, I think I did it.
Yep, looks good. Okay, any questions? Or
Any questions? Questions. It needs to get better at division. Not a question.
okay, well, can I practice that?
Yeah.
I don't know what's good for that.
Sometimes I seem to remember how division works, but then other times I like kind of forget. So I need to be able to not forget how division works and like understand it better. That's like a thing I have problems with a lot, I think, is division specifically. That might be my worst arithmetic of the arithmetic things.
We just got a WoW group for Whaling Cavern. Go join right now.
Okay, I'm leaving Kiri. Leave party. Okay, what do I do?
I'm gonna end.